Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we're going to do a brief look at pressure plates. Pressure plates can be easily found in generated maps. We already have pressure plates. There are different types of pressure plates. We're going to go through each of them. The oak pressure plate can be found by taking two oak planks and just putting them here. This will create your oak pressure plate. Next one is a black stone or any sort of stoned pressure plate. You can take black stone or any sort of stone and put them in this position. Next is your light-weighted pressure plate. You can put entities and different things into it in order to activate. A whole person will activate it due to his weight, but let's say if I were to shoot an arrow and I used to have a redstone to a certain thing that I want to activate, it will take around 2 or 3 arrows. If you want a heavy weighted pressure plate, this is your go-to. This is mainly used in traps. If you want to trap someone in, normally works from one side, but it doesn't work on the other side that doesn't not have the same pressure plate. Okay. If I show you an example, if I want to put a pressure plate here and I want to get to this destination, if I walk in and there's an iron door, I cannot get out unless there is another heavy weighted pressure plate. So this is a way for you to know that it is a trap and you do not want to go in. Now this was a brief look at pressure plates and how to create them. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you soon.